Alright, it's time for me to refill my Windex Dissolve glass cleaner bottle. I have the Windex Dissolve concentrated pods right here, which says it contains 94% less plastic with every refill. And I bought this right here because I want to reduce my carbon footprint because I have a mission to save the planet. So I have the Windex Dissolve, use the glass cleaner. There's just a little bit left. And then I have these Dissolve concentrated pods, which I'm going to put one of these in here and fill this with water so I can get to cleaning right here. So it says 2 cleaners in here. It makes 2 26-ounce fluid ounce bottles of cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now it says right here, you drop one of these up in here into the bottle right here, and then you fill it with water. I have purified spring water right here. I have spring water, which I'm going to be using because I want to have some spring water Windex. And then it says dissolve and then clean. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to pull out one of the packs. See one of the packs, it says cut right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors. And I'm going to cut. And I'm going to go ahead and pull that back. And I didn't cut it properly, so I'm going to have to go ahead and cut this a little bit more. And pull this out. Now I prefer to use gloves when using this packet, but for the sake of video, I'm just going to go ahead and use this like this. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to go ahead and drop the pack down inside of the bottle just like this. So I'm going to drop it inside of the bottle. Boom. Now that the pack's in there, it's going to start to dissolve slowly. But I need to fill it up with water. So I have to fill the bottle up with water. So I have my purified spring water. I'm just going to take this. And I'm just going to keep on pouring the water until it fills up. And you'll see that the pod in there is going to dissolve. Fill it up. All right, so it's in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and replace the sprayer onto the bottle right here. And look at this on the side right here, and it's going to dissolve. It's already starting to dissolve, but as soon as it finishes dissolving, it's going to take some time. And it has to shake it, assist a little bit. It's going to dissolve, and then I'll be able to use the Windex Dissolve glass cleaner. So that's how you replace the Windex Dissolve concentrated pod inside of a new container. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.